Hi everyone, in front of me is DOOGEE S80 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one is very quick and easy one. It is using a secret code, and the second is using the settings, and of course I will show you both. So let's begin with a secret code. We have to open the dialer and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. Let's tap on OK, and you've probably noticed that we did not have the serial number. So let me show you another way to check it. It is using the settings, so let's open them. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Let's enter About Phone, and here first of all we have to enter the status. And after scrolling down we can check the serial number, as you can see, and here we've got the IMEI information. After tapping on it we can check both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. So actually this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your DOOGEE S80. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.